Hello, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit a check using the RBC Mobile application. So once I open up the RBC app, I go to the bottom right section and tap on Move Money. From there, I select Deposit a Check. Once I'm on that page, everything is pretty straightforward. I take a photo of the front of the check, then the back of the check, enter the amount, and choose the account I want the money deposited into. After that, I just tap Continue and follow the prompts to complete the deposit. Overall, I find this method really quick and convenient since I don't have to visit a branch. So yeah, that's exactly how I deposit a check using the RBC mobile app.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.